All right, today we're going to be switching out the fog lights here on 2016 2500 Chevrolet. We already got the liner peeled back. We got to get in there and let's check out what we're doing. Okay, we're replacing those fog lights with the Morimoto 4-banger high performance pause in an amber. They always have a nice little graphic for you when you open her up. Here are the brackets and the adapters. Looks like we got a couple of bolts to undo there. Pop out that cowl. Alright, so we're going to remove that top one. Then we're going to push on these tabs here. I don't know if you can see, and remove that bezel. So these tabs right here is push out. This one over here, one down there. That will allow this to come right out. Just like that. Then your adjuster bolts right there. Got to take that out or else they won't pop out, which was actually kind of surprising, but yeah. So you gotta take this bolt out, take your bezel off, unscrew this, and then those should pop right out. All right, so now that we got this out, what we want to do is we want to take this adjustment screw or this adjustment port out. So 2 little tabs on there. See if I can't get that. Just that simple. Then now this tab is going to go into here, this place on the back of the new bezel. Just like that. All right, now that we got our adjustment screw put in, we are going to install these into the new bezel. So we have these bolts here, which are going to go in here through this part here. So just put them in. There we go. Right, next we'll install the adapters. Just like so. Easy breezy. Next, to make life a little bit easier, see this right here? Come in from behind, squeeze these 2 tabs and pop this out. Put them on, back just like that. That makes life way simpler for you. I'm actually going to change the orientation of these because they were kind of a pain in the butt to get out. So on the passenger side, same sort of thing, except for you got to take that off to get to your tabs. So yeah, 10 mil, zip, zip. Little thing there. There we go, same thing, get those tabs, that top bolt, then those 3 tabs, and the bezel pops right out.